Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics set first. iPhone and Apple TV on the same Wi-Fi and the same Apple ID. Open Control Center and tap Remote to start. If the remote icon is missing, add it in Settings. Once added, tap to search for Apple TV. When you see a 4-digit code on your TV, enter it on your iPhone so pairing completes. This step establishes a secure connection and makes the remote appear like a normal hardware remote in seconds. Once paired, learn the gestures and why they matter. Swipe on the touchpad to move, tap to choose, and swipe down for options. Use the keyboard icon to type quickly instead of using the on-screen TV keyboard. This saves time for passwords and searches. Press and hold the menu button to return home, and hold the Siri or microphone button to speak commands if your Apple TV supports voice. Make sure to explore playback controls for rewind, play, and fast forward. To finish, pin the remote to Control Center for one-tap access and test basic playback controls to confirm everything works. If the remote won't connect, restart your iPhone and Apple TV. This clears transient network or Bluetooth issues. If problems persist, make sure both devices are updated and on the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi. A key troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi off and on your iPhone. It often forces rediscovery and resolves pairing hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.